Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Before you buy the bedding upgrade, here is the quick honest review I wish every listing had. In the next minute, I'll show you who this bedroom comfort is actually for, what stands out, and the one thing to check before ordering. The main reason this caught my attention is simple: it promises a practical upgrade without making your setup complicated. First, let's look at the details that matter in real life. Eco-friendly Tall Hamper 15DX 20 inches tall round laundry hamper is 100% natural hand-woven jute thread rope. That matters because it affects daily comfort, not just the product page. Large and portable hamper. The hamper was larger than other basket. It can store a week's clothes, save more time. This is the kind of detail people usually notice after a few days of use. Multipurpose Storage Baskets 5/8L capacity basket can keep things organized in a stylish and decorative way. It also makes the product feel more useful instead of just decorative. The strongest points are comfort upgrade, better sleep, and soft support. This is a well-reviewed product that many buyers have already trusted, so it's not an unknown random item. The only thing I would be careful about is expectations. Make sure the size, color, and exact version match your space before you click buy. My verdict: if you want a simple bedroom comfort upgrade and the current price makes sense, the bedding upgrade is definitely worth shortlisting for your space. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.